Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming ports and arranging monitors on your desk for left/right placement. Once done, power down the computer to avoid shorting. Connect each monitor using the appropriate cable, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, matching ports on the GPU or laptop. Make sure to plug power cords and turn monitors on at the power button. While you keep cables tidy, set stands to the same height so your eyes track horizontally. This first step establishes physical setup and prevents costly cable mistakes. You now boot into your OS and open display settings to detect both monitors. Once detected, choose Extend rather than Duplicate so you gain extra desktop space, and drag the virtual screens to match your physical left/right layout. Make sure to set each monitor's resolution and scaling to the native values. Mismatched scaling can blur text. Also select the primary display for taskbar and new window placement. If available, adjust refresh rate for smoother cursor movement and confirm orientation is landscape or portrait. Finish by calibrating color and brightness so both screens look consistent, and enable night light if you work into the evening. Once done, drag applications between monitors to test performance and confirm window snapping works. If windows resist or one monitor goes blank, make sure connections are seated. Swap cables or ports to isolate a faulty lead. Reboot and update graphics drivers when necessary, because most signal problems stem from driver or port issues. If problems persist, try the monitor on another machine to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.